Okay, let's head over to check in with Indiana, a junior studying mechanical engineering. As Eric shared, Mines is routinely in the top 5 universities for return on investment. But students aren't only succeeding in business, they're launching startups and products of their own with the support from Mines. Indiana is going to tell us more. Indiana, you're on.
Thanks, Alex. Ever since high school, I was always interested in finding issues within my community that needed fixing. I wanted to be the one to help create a solution that had long-lasting benefits. So when I came to Mines, I knew I would have the ability to grow and learn further about design thinking to do just that. Here at Mines, the university believes in not just preparing students with their future careers, but also helping students to become future leaders that can take on any challenges. From my involvement in the Society of Asian Scientists and Engineers, to breaking down stereotypes and generating more diversity awareness, to being a University Innovation Fellow and help creating solutions that benefit my community, I feel like I've truly grown here at Mines. Now, as an Innovation Fellow, I've had the ability to learn what it takes to bring an idea to life. And Mines is one of the few schools that I know that offers design classes to first-year students. This showcases the importance of design thinking and its impacts, and it is imperative for today's scientists and engineers to have this mindset and make a positive impact on the world and its people. For many Mines students, post-graduation, Orediggers have gone to work straight into the industry. But there are those who choose to create their own businesses and companies and grow from there. Mines is helping students prepare to be entrepreneurs through the Mines Venture Center, offering entrepreneurship courses and competitions, and bringing in CEOs and alumni to campus to help give the support and inspiration for students to get things going. Mines has given me the opportunity to not only grow in my technical skills, but also my communication skills and the ability to find the things that I'm passionate for and the things that I want to do to enact change in this world. Back to you, Alex.
Indiana, that was great. Your passion for helping communities around the world is so inspiring. Thanks for sharing that with us. It's going to be so exciting to see all the businesses and new ideas that come out of Mines in the near future. That was fantastic. Take care.